Well, here's a old Coleman 501 that I restored, and I just did a simple match light. Yeah, it took a little bit of figuring out, and I had to make sure that the cap was tight. So I got that, and here is a quart of water. Let's see how long that takes to boil. All right, let's look at the watch. Oh, we got about 2 after and 20 some odd seconds. All right, so after preheating, that downward position seems to be the hottest. All right, so we're at, well, let's look at the watch. It's about to start whistling. So, I don't know, we were 2 after. We're looking at $13, $14 after, just before it starts whistling. But it is steaming big time right now. There it goes. Right there.